Freelancing feels like freedom. Until tax season hits, clients ghost you, and your income tracker looks like alphabet soup. Sound familiar? Good news! ChatGPT and Notion can turn all that chaos into a smooth, automated money machine. And yes, it's totally free. Let me show you how. Step 1. First, open Notion. Create a new database with columns for client name, payment amount, due date, status, like paid or pending, and a space for project notes. Pro tip: switch to calendar view so you can see upcoming payments at a glance. Step 2. Next, open ChatGPT and act as a freelance finance assistant. Create a formula to calculate my monthly income from this data. Then, paste your Notion table. Boom! ChatGPT gives you a ready-to-go formula you can copy straight into Notion's Calculate field. No spreadsheets, no math. Step 3. Want zero manual entry? Connect Notion to ChatGPT using Zapier. Here's how. Step 1. Trigger. A new invoice hits your email. Step 2. Zapier extracts the details. Step 3. ChatGPT formats it, then automatically adds it to Notion. Just like that, your tracker updates itself. Step 4. Now ask ChatGPT. Generate a quarterly tax estimate based on my Notion income data. Include deductions for freelancers in your country. It'll even remind you to save receipts. So, when tax season comes, you're ready. Step 5. Late payments? ChatGPT's got you. Ask. Draft a professional follow-up email for client X. 14 days overdue on $500. Keep it friendly but firm. It writes it. You copy, paste, hit send, and get paid. Closing. See? In 5 simple steps, you've got an AI-powered accountant living inside Notion. No more juggling spreadsheets, no missed payments, and way less stress. Freelancing is already hard enough. Let ChatGPT and Notion handle the boring stuff, so you can focus on what you do best.